Hi all, welcome to today's session. Today we'll be discussing about a particular common issue which occurs in SAP HANA Studio. So whenever you open an HANA Studio, right, sometimes you might get an error saying like secure storage is locked. This is most common error which is being occurred in recent past. So as part of this session, we'll see how can we fix this issue. Okay. So whenever you open HANA Studio, you will see this error, which is there under the system. Secure storage is locked. Okay. In order to fix that, what we have to do is we have to go to Windows. Under Windows, we have to go to Preference, then to General. Under General, we have to go to the Security and Secure Storage, right? And then we have to go into the Contents tab and delete the default Secure Storage. With this, we can able to overcome that particular issue, or else there is one more solution is like you may need to open one more HANA Studio window, that is one more HANA session. Upon opening the second session won't be having that particular issue. This might be the solution which a few people are suggesting, but the best way is you can go and delete the default secure storage which is present under content tab, that we will be seeing in today's session. So let us get into the system. Let me open an HANA Studio. As you can see over here, I am getting that error, secure storage is locked, right? So in order to do that, the solution is from the options menu, go to Windows, Preference, and you have to go to General, expand General Settings. There is something called Security, right? Expand Securities and choose Secure Storage. What we just did, we went to Windows, we selected Preference, then under the Preference you have to go under the hierarchy General. Under General there is something called Security. Under Security we have Secure Storage. Choose Secure Storage, and as you see in the PPT, we have to go under Content tab, right? So go under Content tab. See, you can see over here default Secure Storage, correct? So you can go ahead and delete all these default storage. This should fix the issue. Choose delete, say yes. See, now our HANA Studio, the default secure storage settings are deleted. HANA Studio is getting restarted automatically. This should fix the issue. Let's see. See, now we have solved that particular issue. We are not getting a issue which is secure storage is locked issue, correct? So I can straight away log into my HANA system. So there might be chances that they have changed the password. Let us log in with the latest password which they have. It is welcome1234. Yes, we are successfully able to log into the HANA system. So with this, we successfully solve the issue. In case this particular solution is not working for you, you can also follow the another approach. That is, open HANA Studio, open a new session of HANA Studio by double clicking on the HANA Studio icon or else shortcut. It will open the second session. In the second session, in most of the cases, as far as whatever I read from the SCN threads, the second session won't be having that particular issue. But the best way is go ahead and delete the default settings which you did just now. That should fix the issue for you, right? Hope you enjoyed this video. There are more videos with respect to SAP HANA are coming soon. If you like this video, please hit a thumbs up button, and you can also share with your friends and colleagues, and you can subscribe to my YouTube channel. And if you are looking for online training on SAP ABAP, BA, BW, ABAP and HANA, you can always reach out to me on my mail ID, that is venugopalmn1988@gmail.com. And also you can call me on my mobile number, that is +91 followed by 97399839992. Thank you so much and have a good one.